P and fish. When I am out and about with my cameras, they stay on from start to finish. Gas, $4.29. We're gonna head on down and ride on around. I ride on a path, all uprooted, tarred, dirty, and all. We got 2 cameras, 3 actually. We have the Insta360 Luna, which is on pre-order only for certain people in regions called the blind order. We have the DJI Pocket 4. It's out there if you know where to look, if you want to spend about $500 after taxes and all. And we're still waiting upon the Extra Muse 2. No price, no color, but we all know the color of choice now is black. I'm the only one that found an issue, reported it to Extra, and they want the whole world, but they have to do it by the book. And they told me it's been escalated, just like they said the first one. Well, the DJI Osmo Nano is like way far in advance and is the camera that works out well. If Extra wants to be like DJI, be in the business in the company, they gotta catch up and they gotta do it now. Not about selling how many they sold on the market. It's about how getting out a good camera and making work 100%. Fish, can you back up so this way the sun pops in your eye? Woohoo! How's that, baby? I'm ready to fall off my bicycle for you. One of the biggest parks around, and they used to have a couple of exercise things all around the park. One day maybe they will do it. They rehabbed the park, redone it over, and then finally completed. They made a walking path over there. This is the rollerblade bike path over here. And we still walk on it. A dog fountain. That is the first I see the hair. It could have been over there. And we got human fountains over here. And for the people, yeah, so dogs can drink, people could drink. Yes, indeed. The squirrels, they're all over the place. There they are, just playing. How many squirrels have you seen in one tree at one time at a park? If I tell you about 50 to 100, I may be exaggerating. I think there was many, that's all I can say. They're just running all over the place. Well, it's better seeing trash all over the place. I'd rather see squirrels. And this park is pretty clean. Not much trash around. We have tennis courts, garbage courts, open paddleboard courts, and the exercise area. It used to be all around the park. Shuffleboard and observatory, observation, convenience, and squaw. And a little area for the kids and a school. I think I'm gonna go exit stage right in a few. Just simply cut across. They don't make paths to get on out. Go around the bend. Go take a look at the other side. We'll get a nice look at the sound. As we come around the bend, there seems to be a low tide. The sun has risen, just needs to get above the trees. we got a blue heron right in front of you by the algae, mossy rocks. These poles, they used to have things on them. Over here, there's something happening, and it's moving in there. They could put up tables here, little stands, so you could lean down and look out. Why not? Getting out of here. Too buggy for me. I feel them going all over my face over there. Let's get on the move. What are these? They're almost like weeds. I think I gotta do my highlight talk. I normally do it in the middle. Am I at the end of my vlog, beginning of my vlog, during my vlog? I'm not turning around because there is no U-turn around unless they mean, oh, come by this tree and go like so and don't go any further than this over here. Well, we're going further than what they're saying. So, when is the Insta360 Luna out? How excited are you to have a camera that has a detachable screen as a remote control in there? Now, is it locked in there? And the question is it weather resistant? How much water can get on it? Is it an IPX4 rated? Is it competition to Extra? Is it competition to DJI? Is it competition to DJI and Extra? Well, that's the question you want to know. I think you're going to get them all. I think you got $500 for the Pocket 4, let's say. And I think you got $500 for the Extra Muse 2, I say. And I think you got $500 for the Insta360 Luna, I say. And I think you got $700 for the Pocket 4 Pro, the Extra Muse Pro, and the Insta Luna Pro. I think you got $4,000 of gear. And you don't know what to do with it, but compare, compare, compare. Oh man, all these cameras just coming out. The GoPro mission. We're gonna be the GoPro 2 mission pretty soon. And yeah, and people who just got the GoPro 1 mission Pro, what a name. I was reserved and ready for one. I may still get one, but I don't know which camera I want. Remember these things, party snaps? The kids on my block, they had these super snaps, and man, were they loud. Don't forget to join us at the Pinocchio and Capitio's Big Apple Adventure. Come on down. We'll be waiting for you. Don't miss out. Come on down. I have to get a GFCI outlet, a piece of plastic conduit, a AC outlet for the GFCI that covers, and get the hammer drill going, and then pop a hole, put an AC outlet outside. I kind of know where it's going to go and how to do it, because I already did the work for an outlet, and unbelievable, man. Well, I'm not running out of steam. I'm breaking down, and I'm taking my time getting on back. I'm not huffing, I'm not puffing, I'm just taking my time. I got out a little earlier today, get the review of an umbrella. Beach party umbrella, baby. I'm gonna be in long pants and all. And that's what the review is about, showing off an umbrella. Let me show you off this thing. That is neat. Speakers and all. The Can-Am. Somebody rode the Can-Am and flipped it over. We know who he is. Did they make them back then? Because I thought they were like a concept bicycle not too long ago. I remember stopping at the booth and listening to the person talk about the bike and taking down future orders. And it wasn't about Kickstart. They weren't around back then either. Well, I'm Fish. Thank you for coming along. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. See which camera I get. I'm not getting anything yet. I'm always researching. Have a great one. Later.